In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to buy VC in NBA 2K26. If you wanna get some VC and don't feel like waiting to upgrade your attributes, you can actually buy VC directly. From the main menu, press start, then go across to options and quit. Inside that section, select get VC. Here, you will see several VC bundles available for purchase, and depending on your region, you will see the values in that currency. In my country, 5000 VC will cost me around 146 rupees. But in case you are living in US, then the 5000 will cost you around $2, 15,000 for 5, 35,000 for 10, 75 for 20. By the way, this one is marked as the most popular, 200,000 for 50, for 50,000 for 100, and the best value pack, which is 700,000 VC for $150. Some of these packs also include bonus VC. For example, the 15,000 packs gives you 2500 extra, and the 75,000 pack gives you 25,000 extra for free. Throughout different seasons, 2K also adds special bundles that might include double XP boost or other exclusive rewards. So if you wanna level up faster and get ahead early, this is the easiest way to get VC in NBA 2K26. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.